Hello, I'm Dr. Jwala Shrikala, consultant radiologist and breast imaging specialist. Today, let's know a little more about fibroadenoma. What are fibroadenomas? These are non-cancer lumps commonly seen in women between the age of 15 to 35 years. These are firm to hard lumps which are felt in the breast and they're easily movable, meaning you can move it from one half of the breast to the other half very easily. They're not stuck to the breast or anything, and sometimes they can become a little tender during the menstrual period. So these can be multiple. These can be seen in both the breasts. So when you feel a lump like that, you can just visit to the closest radiologist and then get them evaluated by an ultrasound, and they will be able to diagnose a fibroadenoma very easily. But sometimes when these fibroadenomas show some different features on the scan, then we may request you to get a biopsy done from these lesions. Now, the common question that is asked is, does this fibroadenoma change into a cancer? No. Usually, in 99.9% of cases, the fibroadenomas don't change into cancers, and having fibroadenomas in a woman doesn't make her high risk for breast cancer, right? But sometimes these fibroadenomas, when they start increasing in size rapidly or when they start becoming very painful, then they may have to be removed. And there are no medicines that can melt these fibroadenomas away, and the only treatment is to surgically remove. For years, the surgery for fibroadenoma used to be a cut made in the breast under general anesthesia in the operation theatres, and once the lump is removed, they would make a suture on the skin. But now, through a latest technology called VAB-assisted excision biopsy, we are able to remove these fibroadenomas through a small pinhole in the breast. So we just make a small cut, introduce a thick needle, and then cut the fibroadenoma and suck it into the tube. So this does not require general anesthesia, this does not require admission, and at the end of it, we will not put any sutures causing an ugly scar on the breast. So lumps which are of about 3 to 4 centimeters or smaller can be removed through this procedure called vacuum assisted excision biopsy, or VAB in short. But having said that, do all fibroadenomas need to be removed? No, it's only when the fibroadenoma is painful or it is causing mental agony, or when it is you feel that it is increasing in size, then we may have to remove them. Thank you.